Hello tech enthusiasts and welcome to Nartech. In this episode, we're delving into the remarkable world of agriculture machines. What we have in store today is bound to leave you spellbound. So without further ado, let's jump into the future of farming. Look at this machine. This is truly an efficient grass collector. Amazing! Nowadays, robots become more popular in agriculture tasks. This is a pesticide spraying machine, protecting crops from pests with precision and care. How impressive this machine works! A massive wheat field is not a problem with this machine. Through the harvesting method, these blueberries can retain their freshness and nutritional quality when they reach their customers. This machine ensures even distribution of food portions for dairy cows, promoting their health and productivity. Although it's small in size, this machine can collect 3 huge hay bales at the same time. The irrigation canal system must be kept clear and free-flowing for efficient water distribution, and this machine is the best option for farmers. The task of separating kernels from a mountain of corn can now be completed in the blink of an eye. It's incredible how quickly they can peel persimmons in just 1 second. Join us as we capture the magic of apple harvesting, picking ripe, juicy treasures from the orchard. Cherries are meticulously sorted to ensure customers get the freshest and tastiest ones. Wow, this tool is so convenient for farmers to collect eggs. So easy and quick. Behold the way this machine works. This is the marvel of the barley harvesting machine, expertly reaping the versatile crop's grains with precision. Impressive! Nothing seems impossible with this machine. Look how delicious these red peppers are. Do you know how cassava starch factories operate? This is one step in that process. These honeydew melons look incredibly fresh and juicy after being thoroughly washed. Have you ever seen this machine before? Transplanting now is simpler and easier than decades ago. I won't have to worry about running out of firewood for winter with this machine around. Let's see this machine. It cuts a tree into logs too easily. Watch, this is the first step to producing the sunflower oil. Cleaning poultry transport trucks is crucial, eliminating waste and harmful pathogens from previous chicken batches. Let's prepare to be amazed as we unravel the secrets of onion leaf harvesting. This high-capacity machine processes 120 tons of carrots per hour, while maintaining minimal impact on the crop and soil. This machine is truly an efficient tool that revolutionizes weed control. Look, this is the most cutting-edge world of single-row grass mowers I've seen before. Now, we'll step into the heart of modern poultry farming with our in-depth exploration of chicken coops and farm life. Don't worry, this sheep can't be hurt. She is a talented sheep shearer. Like a gigantic eraser, this machine wipes away all traces in its path. Look at how this small machine swiftly harvests and bundles the rice into neat and even sheaves. Witness the sheer power and grace of a wheat harvester in action as it transforms fields into golden seas. Follow onions as they travel along the conveyor belt and into the storage warehouse. A fascinating process you won't want to miss. For a bountiful harvest season, a ploughing machine like this one is indispensable to till and aerate the soil. This is the future of precision agriculture as we unveil the incredible world of crop spraying robots. Human beings are truly ingenious when inventing such amazing tools like this. Unbelievable! I think I step inside the magical world of cucumber cultivation within the cozy confines of a greenhouse. My mum won't have to worry about firewood for the winter anymore if our house has this machine. Wow, behold this colossal machine. It's not just work, it's a dream realized. This is a tomato harvesting marvel, as this machine plucks the ripe red treasures from the vine. Classifying blueberries is so much faster with the help of machinery. Look at how each fresh bell pepper is carefully harvested by the farmers. It's truly impressive. Look at this! A large tree branch is being cut effortlessly, just like slicing a spring onion. This is one of the stages in producing your favorite choco pie. Farmers no longer have to expend a lot of effort and time gathering stones in the fields because that's the mission of this machine. Like a voracious monster, no tree can defeat this machine. This apple juice packaging assembly line is mesmerizing me. I can't take my eyes off the screen. The leaves of the green are being cut perfectly with this machine. How impressive! I can't believe this machine exists in real life. Ready to dive into the world of apple cleaning and prepare to be amazed by the meticulous process on this conveyor belt. Let's explore the incredible world of soil and rock sorting machines, the unsung heroes of construction and agriculture. Do you have any idea about what he does this for? It's the unique and gentle apple harvesting technique of tree shaking, preserving the fruit's natural goodness. With its user-friendly operation and special design, this machine is a powerhouse for expanding cultivation. Now you know how a perfect hay bale is created. And that's a wrap on our journey through the world of agriculture machines. Which machine impressed you the most today? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more farm tech inspiration. Remember, as the saying goes, in farming, as in life, innovation is the key to growth.